Should you stay or should you leave? Most people ask that question way too late. They wait until they're exhausted, frustrated, and confused. They're not thinking clearly anymore, they're reacting. Some people stay too long hoping it's going to get better. Other people leave too soon and wonder if they made a mistake. And both of those come from the same problem. So here's the real problem. You don't actually know what's going on in your relationship. You just know how it feels, and feelings change. But patterns don't. So instead of asking, should I stay or leave, you need to ask a better question. And that question is, what's actually happening in my relationship? Because you don't have one relationship, you actually have 10. Your trust, your honesty, your consideration, your communication, your attitude, your attentiveness, your supportiveness, your physical appearance, romance, and sex. Those are actually all individual relationships, not just one. And the truth is, some of those might be strong, but some of them are breaking down. So let's make this simple. If most of your relationship is strong and a few areas are weak, that's something that you could work on. But if most areas are weak and nothing is improving, that's not confusion. That's clarity. Here's the truth nobody wants to say. Staying doesn't fix a relationship. Working on the right things does. And leaving doesn't fix it either if you don't understand what went wrong. Here's a reality check. Some people stay and suffer. Some people leave and repeat the same patterns with somebody new because they never really understood the relationship that they were in. So before you make a decision, get clarity. Not emotion, clarity. Because once you can clearly see your relationship, the decision will make itself. So if you're trying to figure out whether to stay or leave, don't guess. Find out what's actually going on. Take the love report card because the right decision comes from clear understanding.